Oh, there was a collision. Dean is in my view now. Here we go. Here we go. 1 and 2 just got interesting. Hello folks, welcome to Net Cruiser RC. I'm going out for a 2025 January race of TTGT. And they're all combined, so there's going to be 8 cars running all together, the A and the B combined, but I'm very happy to report that I got a P2 in the A main. I just missed out on TQ, on TTGT. No changes to this. I've got the same setup as before, running the belted TTGT tires with the Gens Ace battery, same electronics, same setup. We're just going to go out in this main and see how we do, starting in P2 with 8 cars on track. Alright, here we go. TTGT A main starting in P2 with 8 or 7 drivers.
Brandon Child, Dean.
Anybody that's able to on no way to stick around to help us clean up after this.
Okay, practice laps. I have no sauce. I have no sauce on my tires. I've not been running sauce. And I forgot to mention that I did lean my front shocks back upright again from where I had to lean down for the black carpet of CTSR. I did lean the front shocks back upright, which gave me a slightly faster lap time.
Brandon, Chris, and Fred is the running.
All right, plastic fantastic. Here we go.
All right, that works.
Oh, if you only got a good run now.
Now you will, yeah. It'll be worth it.
Darcy's BMW
Marshall's
looks
ready.
nice.
Racers ready. Less than 10. Play well in the sandbox, please. Dean out to a clean start, followed by John. Things get a little messier as we get a little further back. It's Darcy, Chris, and Max that are battling it out in the middle of this pack. Secret is not to touch anything and do clean laps. Patience. Nice move by Max around Darcy in the infield. A little bit of paint rub, but otherwise pretty clean. Darcy wants the position back. He's working hard. Max now setting his sights on Chris. Oh, small mistake.
Dean's keeping it clean, but I'm trying to reel him in. That's 2 wall touches, though. I shouldn't have started talking.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are Dean in first place with a 30-lap 508.7 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 29-lap 507.9 pace, followed by Chris in third place with a 27-lap 501.6 pace, followed by Maxime in fourth place with a 27-lap 504 flat pace, followed by Darcy in fifth place with a 27-lap 506.2 pace, followed by Brandon Chiat in sixth place with a 26-lap 503.4
Dean's going to run into traffic here soon. Then will be my chance to reel him in. Whoa!
That's making some moves all the way for fifth position right now. Max, Fred. That's a Destiny. Dean cleanly up front. John in second place. Darcy now in third. That's the BMW. Got some clean air ahead of him, so that's going to work well for him. Chris in the other Super, the orange one. That is fourth position.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are Dean in first place with a 30-lap 508.3 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 29-lap 503.4 pace.
Dean is the yellow, 2 cars ahead of me.
With a 28-lap 501.7 pace, followed by Chris in fourth place with a 28-lap 507.6 pace, followed by Brandon Chiat in fifth place with a 27-lap 50 flat pace, followed by Fred in sixth place with a 27-lap 509 flat pace, followed by Maxime in seventh place with a 27-lap 506.6 pace. 2 minutes
Oh,
left.
there was a collision. Dean is in my view now. Here we go. There he is.
After 3 minutes 16 seconds, the top drivers are Dean in first place with a 29 lap 5.05 pace, followed by John Kay in second place with a 29 lap 502.3 pace, followed by Darcy in third place with a 29 lap 509.1 pace, followed by Chris in fourth place with a 28 lap 501.4 pace, followed by Brandon Child in fifth place with a 28 lap 502.8 pace, followed by Fred in sixth place with a 27 lap
here we go.
501.9 pace.
1 and 2
followed
just
by
got
Maxine in
interesting.
seventh place with a 26 lap 505.6. Place with the 26 lap 505.6. Place with the 26 lap 505.6.
I don't think I touched him. That was as close as it gets.
1 minute left. Five seconds left. After 4 minutes 21 seconds, the top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 31 lap 508.5 pace, followed by Dean in second place with a 29 lap 501.2 pace, followed by Darcy in
Well, I'm
fifth
ahead of
place
him
with
on
a
track.
29 lap 505.6
I'm in front of him on track,
pace,
aren't I?
followed by Chris in fourth place with a 29 lap 508.9 pace, followed by Brandon Child in fifth place with a 28 lap 5.3 pace, followed by Maxine in sixth place with a 28 lap 506.8 pace, followed by Fred in seventh place with a 27 lap 5.8 pace. D done.
Oh, I got one more
Brandon
lap.
Child done. Fred done. Darcy done. Maxine done. Chris done. John Kay done.
All right,
Drivers
very
are
good.
finished.
Yeah. All right, Dean.
Completed.
Yeah, man. I don't think I touched you there, but that was as it was as close. Did I? I didn't slow down because I didn't think I touched you. I'm sorry. Oh, that's too bad. That wasn't a clean win then.
Almost had it. Both were back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, back and forth. All right, guys, enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you're new or subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. When I got close to him, we'll slow it down. We'll show it on slow-mo. Apparently I did brush him. I got his rear end out of sorts a little bit. I didn't slow down at all. I just kept on trucking. Yeah, exactly. Wasn't a clean win, but still a win. Thanks for watching.